guys, it's Katie with String Expert. A few years ago, I had a lot of students asking me to take my YouTube videos and create an online course. And so I'm so excited to announce that that's what I did. I created the course, How to Play the Violin. This course is set up for the beginner student who wants to learn to play the violin from the comfort of their own home. I went through and I created 101 videos on how to play the violin, set up in a way that would be very similar to what you would learn if you were in a private music studio or if you were taking classes through an orchestra class setting. These lessons all include standard learning techniques that should be in every person's repertoire, including technique, skills, strength training exercises, and things like that that will really help enhance your overall playing and your overall ability to do well. Now, you don't have to have any talent, never played the violin, never played any musical instrument, and you're still going to be able to learn from this course. We even teach you how to read sheet music, which is so important. In addition, one of the things that beginners struggle with is having correct technique. And so what we did was we created detailed descriptions of everything that you're supposed to be learning in that lesson. And we also included professional photographs so you can properly see how to hold your bow, how to hold the violin, and we included photographs of what not to do, common mistakes that violinists make when they're first starting out in their first year of playing, so you can make those adjustments and play better. My goal with this course was to give you the same quality education that you would receive in a year of lessons from an online course. So I hope you check it out at String Expert, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me there.